the military leadership of Division 3 and Division 4 and Abay Independent Brigade, led by General Musa Malay. Distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, we're Pete Mayadi Tibantan, we're got a more, we're Pete Mayadi, we're in Pin Molinwall. Yeah, I'm Tadwani Mentola Gel, the Gallery Machar, Rampanyok, Kumar Theatre, Yang Hotel Yang and another Arab song. So, Kuibakal thing is that at Chilwell, then after the recipe, then Brais Alawal, Gerald Tabandengai, the way Bagawi Bakayi Mat, but the Tabandengai, and Brais Alawal, Jumuri, Juba Sudan, the way Sharp Tatwij Madi the Ben. Come to Mother. Abakan job by congratulating the leadership of Transitional Government of National Unity, led by President Mayadi, First Vice President General Tabandengai, and Vice President Waniga for the achievement of peace in the country. We have to say congratulations to them. I am not speaking here on behalf of Tabandengai. That has to be clear, number one. And I'm Paninyok, but I'm not also speaking on behalf of Paninyok. Paninyok is a delegation de Codex Sultan Najidamun. And here I'm on behalf of Hizib and Jamka Agal Ringmachar, where I'm on the beat. Taban here and here, and Chirunga, the Yataganoga, Kiban Bantry, and I Jibana Kay. Hey, yes, we need to do it. Go King Parrot, go Koito, Kulela Jamana getting Mela, Picadilly, Laba, Wichok. Yeah, no, we hear about a mob. Go and Gabriel, go back to pay Joseph Oko, Monjimarga Maria. Ulayi Mantum to Egypt. Jesus, the Chibala refugee, a Gabi Pinga Bellier, and I want to Pinga Lulier. Go Jesus Della to Polo and Kinalino, with Abelloy. A for Aban King Zaman at the cheap event. Not Bellier. Benaben. Talk about Jesus, Jesus, Egypt. We take up Ben Kirmadi around for the pay, or on the Pio, or she ran the Gray Buluran, like Kirero, or Kumero, a Kumari or the machine. It's on the nothing in which Kirmadi will open the Manican, a Berby. She ran the Chairman and Kirmadi. Akuma Chirabia, Raman Giren, Temori Nobakaji. So the Chakumani Mali, even a Lama, Nachakuma and Nobel, what the Benaben, the reason Jangan, so actually the show will receive. Ian Wilkie, Arrow, the Kinakabi, the Kinabili, Abacalu Squeeze, in the nature of the conference, and the Kanalu visit in the event are different. The Chakuma Lelen to work at Tokyo. I about to Lula, Jam, whether capital, way down the bay. The king who are called Jam, deputy governor, to welcome the Katir. Governor Katilu, lower pay, Katichap, counties, even, take a thing or another. We'll have a little point number one, peace capital state. Aqua de Lula, Karar Rais, or Karaz, Karar Ben, Kati Jami, a chili. Karar Ben. Shawe Jami. The Chimishla, went to Victoria, what he got the Jami. Karar number Sito 13, Alfredo Kamsasha, and Jim Weekend, at Jami Katir, the Mahalat Khalifa. 128. Now one nothing little one, Japar Nile, Pameditan, Obey one ya, Etnim, Utilitin, AG Milligan. I think not in that tall reasonable, the governor, and talk about Kupandin, Pamonjangin, to Manama, Pamonjangin, we in a copy of a Banyaman, where I'm to Banco and a pylon of Poeta, Capoeira to do no Banapay. Go back with Bailon, will I did again, and we can check on Namunya. Namunya, Pamonjangin. I say county, what's a boom, I Pamonjangin. Oh, I can't tell you anything. Not a Yamaran, Namurjangin, Namurjangin. Namunya make a poet, I think to us. Urele capital city zatu kanyeni kapoita kwa ntu kwa yite ne tona murnya oba bela ben ka tawara le pyo onuma ye kuchele ka taposa ti tra ko ke lo ke dan je dam ko lo ko je de gor do ka bosa ati dam be lo ko je be jami ko je chokko ni so ka boy tamen ni wala aussi de je go ka boy ta ko de malan mu tarifa so ji mi de trai fa gabana wi gele rin ken ben min bi yen ci de ci lo sasa wade a lot of programs that development which bolu share ka wilaya lakini min de bi gabana ati de ci lo e waden ti malik ku bi issue wilaya kan capital below so ati le felen ati lu ba fi juma waya bi nga ci lu digen fi county zuben ka ti wan sura ka ta e ramao we ban ngeen bi ban ngeen lu na obu am ya yera ko biwi pour les ben fa ti lu di ka yera bukti nga ko result le mo ante loy e result ni na yi result won ba tu gamben ko wala trin waya le man boyi ya to no ko ya development in lokko na ya ti ngira ti mo ti na chere ka jam ce ko wa ne le jam ka ka do do jam ce ko policy dola ela pinga ke yi ban mun bai yi wadu len kulen sharp ele se ka la ka to ko ceto ba na ran mu le yin governor ka ta ku loy ka ko tero etin bulo gidi wo will continue to search for solution before randal atale wona atale kai ran ko kego one of them attended a general down to the general tower to the division 3 ku yene jam war ko atule la jam chaka jam le la jam ka sultana jam ka mangun man sultan ya ne family wala sultan da tinta men bani ya dadi panima ku yene jam ka mo no gobe be ku jam ya askari kai madi ku be na ma an ko lo be legen kati jam kai sesi ka won da ta tele ya ce yi da ki jam kai mo no ko su tuti bi ci ne ga ko ga na je jam ko kin jam ya kai men sultan ko kin jam ya kai asiri ti jam kai sesi kuna u be sesi lo ke mo ful branca ki be go ran sesi tumunna o wana o ya ma no le ga ba na wan ti sesi ben o ka ki be go la sesi ila bi da ci da gunno ma ila ka ko bi to yo no yoro lo protect erin ke sesi e ke la kan jeji ko ba jeji kan sesi ni e one of the juzu ci bayra ba wi be legen ma bi to decide now we are siasa ka ba siasi kujala yere de no litera pay because twitch e ta banten twitch kujala ko lich ba book ata ban fitoj to anana ko every day ene lo de madafe war ko le kalwel kujala de war ko le kalwel ene lo de ka kan twitch atita achi ni bulu ada ko ka na otar yo kiru ngade no because grem yin ay rem to yin lakini ay gaji zaman nya tare me dupli so tan kiri pitor 3 years ago ka piji ben tor pa o ga tum mada fe wala kana ko wala masede za kana lo ko to bas okay even pa la ngi ta ma pin tema so mada fe ga yite wudu nyen ni ka tor go nya ka bona pike ya ile ga loyi okay fa en ku yi le tan ma bi kwaje ben ko ko ni jeji otherwise work the presidency or ko the governor because fair and governor kan ade pio ko lu ben kan solve ya na te ben le tawala ni na ta wala ka ce wa loy ne without kangi allo really he want to solve this problem when I go from us we will continue to support him to solve this issue so that Twitch can continue with 34 years of peace 34 years of peace taking place. It is being envied around the region. Many people want to copy your way of doing things. So let's not stop talking. Because siasa and war are the same thing. Siasa is the beginning of talking and war is the beginning of not talking. You will tell a child yet, look will, that won't yet, that will explode, okay, something violent. The kidnapping to Mchayam, whatever account is even low government. We must encourage the governor to continue talking to the people of Twitch so that the people of Twitch can remain united. Thank you guys very much. Coach, you welcome. To all welcome. One can get that all Ben one. We are waiting for the Kiran and Kadirban. Ramal Yato. In a Chadon Tolan, here than Yignum, you and you. Letting a young to call the in. The China came to get right. Young guy. mutaka jidigen walakin moy ne dal lina ra cingi lo ya dem yito tin mushkila en chwe piu kuna ni akandiro du lirgo ay we am la ko yingo yina wa macham we ben chwe piu bu ka woni to ya bena king ni na wala ko wa ta ya dawar. Thank you guys very much. Thank you.